Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. So I just got back in from Children's Place. Let me show you this deal I just got today, Friday. So I went to Children's Place. I had to pick up another package that I had told y'all from last Saturday when they were doing, if you spend $20, you got $20 back, and they would send you the email. I had put that video up, and it's still going on. So if you want to try to get these great deals that I just got, go watch that video. If you need to contact me, put a comment down below. So anyway, let me show you what I picked up today, and then all the other stuff that's been coming in. So I used some of my rewards today, and I got my grandson some spiffy new onesies. Okay, you get 4 in a pack. So I love this one. It says Mommy's Little Man. Okay, and then you have the burgundy and white stripes. And this one is like the mustache design. And just plain white with the mustache design. I thought that was so cute. So these were regularly priced at $29.95. I'm gonna turn this light down. $29.95. Okay, but right now they're doing 50% off. So which made it to be $14.99. Okay, so stay with me. And then I found, ain't that adorable? It's got the kind of camouflage. It says Double Trouble. Double maker like daddy. And that's the honest goodness truth. Oh, I hope little Brand ain't gonna be no problems. But anyway, I got picked this up for him. And this was regularly $16.95. $16.95. Okay. And this was 50% off, so it made it $8.47. And then they had this beautiful sweater for Ariana. She's gonna look pretty in that. And this sweater was $29.95. Okay, and right now with the sweaters, they as well were 50% off, so $14.97. So with my cashback awards, the stipulations were that you had to spend $40 in order to stack your coupons. Okay, so by the time I got done stacking my coupons, y'all, I paid $1.37. I know y'all see that. $1.37. Okay, $1.37 for $40 worth of beautiful clothing. Okay, and my grandson, he got 4 onesies and 1 little outfit. Okay, so that was what I actually got today. I had no intentions on getting this today, because as I've been telling y'all that I've been saving my rewards, which I'm up to $210 to do all my grandson's clothes for him. He's due to be here in March. So I said, let me get started since I can use some of the coupons today. Okay. So this is the order that I did last Saturday, and I was telling y'all, Children's Alert, you pay $20, you buy $20, and you get $20 back at another time. So I'm gonna open this up with y'all. I just got back here with it. Okay. See all the fabulous stuff I got. Ooh. Alrighty. Alright, so this is a nice blouse. Now this shirt I'm about to show you, I had already bought for my niece Christina for her birthday last week. So I went and got one. I ordered it for Ariana. The Paris shirt. Now this stage in the video, I'm not going to break down the prices because I don't have the sheet with me. Just going to show you guys the clothes. Okay, and then she got in this order. So this is what I plan on doing this weekend. I have a 4-day weekend. I haven't had 4 days off in I don't know how long. It's get all this stuff wrapped. Isn't that pretty? The gold embellishment, the unicorn. Thought that was so pretty. So she got another shirt. Okay. And this is the same shirt. I picked this up for another little girl that's in my life. Picked her the same shirt up, so she'll have something under the tree when she comes to visit. Okay. And I got Truly Bear, some jeans. Like I said, I was not spending money on toys where they're going to take them and break them and don't even know where they're at, you know, come February. At least, you know, they can wash these clothes and wear them, you know, several times. I got Truly Bear, a little pretty shirt. Isn't that cute? Okay. And these shirts here are for my little nephew. Look at that. It says, shout out to my bro. I thought that was so cute. He gonna look adorable in that shirt. I got him that one. And then he got a pair of jeans as well. I'm not going to open that one, so I don't want this video to be too long because I have a whole box to go through. And then Truly Bear, she got another shirt. It says, daughter of a king. It represents my son. Yeah. So she got another little shirt. And this one is for my other nephew, Trenton. You guys have heard me talk about Trenton. Oh no, this one is for Tristan. And it says, warning, way too much supervision required. I thought this was adorable. So he'll have fun with that shirt. Okay. And, oh no, this one here is for Trent. It says, too smart to be here. That's for Trent. Got him a shirt. And all this stuff was very affordable. You know, you have to pay for it up front, but then you get all your cash rewards back. And he got a pair of jeans to go with his shirt. And then I bought their sister. She got a pair of jeans, and one of the shirts that I just showed you all will go with the jeans. And then Ariana, ever since she's been a baby, I've had her since she was 2 months old. And we're into our pajamas, y'all. So she got a fresh pair of pajamas. She'll wear these while she's here. They'll probably stay here so when she comes this summer, because they're thin enough to wear in the winter and in the summer, because I don't really put heat on in my house because I stay hot. So she got a set of pajamas. Okay. And I got 3 boxes, and these were 95 cents a piece. So I'll be able to wrap some of the stuff in some of the heavier stuff that's from the children's place versus, you know, my dollar store boxes. Okay. So we're gonna push through and go through this box real quick. And Tutti, this is Truly Bear's. They have some pretty pajamas for your grandchildren and your children. Look how pretty that is. Isn't that pretty? I just love the floral flowers on this one. And here is the bottoms. So she's got a pair of pajamas. And then I bought her another set of pajamas. I even love this one. It's gorgeous too. Look at that one. Beautiful like mom. Thought that was pretty. And then she got the leggings, pajama pants. And trust me, my granddaughter is only 1 year old. This is the son that's 6'3", so she is tall already at 1. So, and I'm 5'9". With my heels, I'm 6 foot. So, you know, I have I'm going to have giant grandchildren. And I like to have a child grow into their clothes and they'll be able to wear it, you know, a few times. Because once you wash them, they will shrink down a little bit. So in this bag, you get 2 sets of pajamas. So she got this one. And then it came with the matching heart pants. And then this is the fox pants. And the fox shirt in this set. Okay. So as you can see, I have a lot of wrapping to do. Then she got a 2-pack of leggings, the gray ones and the pink ones. More jeans. And all 3 girls, Christina, Ariana, and Truly, they all got the same shirt, but I'll open up Truly so you guys can see. Purple, says Princess. Okay, so she got that shirt, and here is the 2 other girls' purple shirts. So hopefully I can get Ariana and Truly in a picture with their shirts on. So we're not going to open that one up. Okay. Truly Bear again. She just got a regular long sleeve princess shirt, princess pink shirt. You know, and she can wear these with either her jeans or her little pink leggings, seen as an outfit. So when I was ordering stuff, I tried to have complete outfits. Okay. And then she got another shirt, unicorns. Isn't that cute? And she can wear that with the gray leggings. So my granddaughter gonna be dressed. Not that she ain't dressed right now, but the stuff that I'm sending up, she gonna be dressed. Okay. And she got another shirt that says Mini Drama Queen. I thought that was cute. She anything like me. Yeah. She's a drama queen. So she got that pretty shirt. And then she got this one, Daddy's Perfect Princess. I thought that was cute. And this one, I thought this was adorable. All of them, I thought. It says, you call it attitude, I call it personality. Perfect. Okay, and then she got black jeans to go with that shirt. She got black jeans to go with that one. And I thought this was adorable. Look at the sweater dress. Isn't that pretty? Now this I'm going to ship up probably next week, so her mom will have this for her to open up, because the rest of the stuff she's not going to be able to get until I go to Charlotte the end of December, well, into January, when I drop Ariana back off. So she got this dress, and then they had the stock, the tights for her in the penguin design as well. So I thought that's going to be cute, and her mom can dress her up and take a picture, or my son can send me a picture of her. Okay. Got her 2 packs of Christmas socks, which is the penguin again, and then it has the Christmas bow on it. Okay. Now we're moving on to the big girls. Ariana and my niece got the same shirts, butterfly on it. I have an extra one here that I got to ship up to Jersey to her. So this is Ariana's. And they got 2 more, another shirt, the same. Got everything matching, so there'll be no argument. And I don't know who gets what. Princess, long sleeve. Okay. So that one's Ariana's. And here is the other one. Mail up to my niece. And Ariana got 3 pair of jeans. Super dark wash, it's one of them. Medium blue wash and Victory blue wash. But 3 pair of jeans to go with her shirts. And Christina got her 3 pair of jeans and a jean jacket. And then her birthday was last week, so she got a happy birthday shirt. And that was already shipped to New Jersey. And the last thing I saved for last, isn't this beautiful? For Julie Bear. She got a sweater dress, which mimics the pink shirt, pink sweater that Ariana got. So when I go to Charlotte, I'm hoping to get a picture of them two, and you know, truly in her dress. I just got to get her some white stockings for that. And then Ariana will wear this, wear a pair of her jeans, and then we'll take pictures. So, oh, I do have the receipt. So everything I just showed you, and this was my receipt, came to. So with that being said, you guys have a good weekend. Stay blessed. Until the next video. And remember, if it ain't cheap, Cal ain't buying it.